In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Webflow template. Whether you're diving into Webflow for the first time or needing a refresher, you've come to the right place. We'll be walking through the process step by step to ensure you can comfortably customize your template to fit your unique design vision. First, let's head over to the Webflow dashboard. This is the central hub where all your Webflow projects live. Simply open your browser and navigate to your Webflow account's dashboard. Here you can see a list of all your active projects, making it easier for you to manage and organize your work. Once you've arrived at your dashboard, the next task is quite straightforward. Take a look at the list of projects and choose the one you want to edit. This list typically displays projects by their title and thumbnail, giving you a visual cue to quickly identify the template you're eager to modify. By clicking on the desired project, you will be taken into the designer view where the real magic happens. Should you need to delete or remove an element from the template, locate the element and simply select Delete. This action ensures that any unwanted components are efficiently removed from your design. It's as simple as selecting the item and clicking the delete option either by right-clicking or using the designated delete button. Remember, Webflow offers an undo feature just in case you change your mind or accidentally delete the wrong item, so there's no need to worry about making mistakes. Next, we'll dive into customizing the images of your template. Start by clicking on any image that you wish to swap out. You'll see an option labeled Replace Image. Clicking this will prompt you to upload a new image or select one from your library. Choose the image that best fits your design. Remember, images are a crucial part of your website's visual appeal, so take your time in selecting the right ones. Ensure the images are high quality and relevant to your content. Following your image replacement, you might want to adjust the size to better fit the layout. Simply click on the size option. This allows you to modify the image dimensions until it seamlessly integrates into your design. Make sure that your images are not only visually pleasing but also optimized for web performance so that your site loads quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance the look and feel of your Webflow template. Editing templates on Webflow is both intuitive and powerful, giving you the ability to create visually stunning and highly functional websites. Don't forget to regularly preview your changes and ensure that everything aligns with your original vision. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.